RBC Online Banking Sign In Tutorial video, RBC Royal Bank Login. So if you want to log in to the Royal Bank of Canada online banking account, now aside from online banking you also have the mobile app, but if you are insisting on using online banking or web banking only, go to RBCROYALBANK.com and you'll see this interface. Now by the way, they'll ask you to install the app, so if that's what you want you can go ahead and select that, but I'll just cross it right now. If you look at the yellow icon from the top right, it says sign in. So now you can just tap on the little sign in button there, and once you tap on the sign in button over there, you will see this particular option. First, in order to sign into online banking, you must have first enrolled for online banking, and in order to enroll for online banking you must first have created a bank account on Royal Bank. Only after you've done all of that process you'll be able to enter your client card or username, tap on the next option, enter the password that you set for your online banking account, verify if it asks you to, and you will be successfully signed in. If you forgot your username, you can tap on username, or if you have not enrolled for online banking, you can tap on this little button that says enroll in online banking. So this way you'll be able to log in or enroll to online banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.